So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will tell how to print the name of the days according to its number. So let's start. First of all, we have to take like an integer, then input enter a number. Now for this we will use if statement. So if a is equal to 1, print Monday, and Elif a is equal to 2, print Tuesday, and Elif a is equal to 3, print Wednesday, Elif a is equal to 4, print Thursday, and like that. Then if the other number is not in between 1 to 7, so it should be printed like invalid value. So run it. Yeah, take a number like 7, Sunday. Take a number like 4, not here. Yeah, take a number like 4, Thursday, and like that. So now you had understand how to make a program to print the name of the days according to number. So thank you everyone.